Before returning to campus this fall, be sure to keep in mind the new school's updated COVID-19 testing policies. Regardless of vaccination status, all members of our community will be required to take a PCR COVID-19 test no earlier than 7 days before you plan to access campus for the first time, and upload negative results to the Student Health Services portal by going to shsportal.newschool.edu. After your initial test, you'll be required to test periodically throughout the semester. To learn more about your initial entry test and ongoing testing for the fall 2021 semester, visit newschool.edu/COVID-19/testing. For your convenience, free Binx self-collection nasal swab kits are available across campus for all of our community members. But you can also take your PCR test at any lab or facility off campus. Today, we're going to show you how to pick up these tests on campus and drop them off. There are numerous locations around campus where you can pick up your free test. Today, we're on the lower level of the University Center, but you can also grab a kit at the lobby of the Parsons Building at 2 West 13th Street and the lobby of Arnold Hall at 55 West 13th Street. Binx nasal swabs must be completed in a private space and not out in the open. There will be some designated private spaces on campus, or you can take the test in your residence hall, private office, or home. When you're ready to take the test, follow the directions inside the box. Use your phone to scan the QR code on the card inside the box and follow the instructions to activate the test. You can also find a step-by-step guide on taking the Binx test kits at newschool.edu/COVID-19/testing-FAQ. Once you've completed the test, drop it off in one of the designated drop boxes anytime Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Remember, you must activate your test and complete the nasal swab on the same day you plan to return it, or it will be rejected by the lab. After you drop your test off, you will receive your results from Binx within 2 days. For more information about testing frequency and using the Binx testing kits, you can visit newschool.edu/COVID-19. Stay safe, narwhals. We'll see you soon.